Hello, my name is Takayla, and today we are going to be talking about 10 plus side hustles that you can do in college in order for you to make money in college. Alright, if I'm looking down, that's because I have everything on my phone. And yeah, if you like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. We're going to get straight to it. All of these I've actually seen happen on my campus. People are creative, and you have to learn hobbies, learn talents in order to get things done that you want to do. So number one. This is the one I've done. I enjoy doing it more at home, but at college, it's definitely a thing. Everybody wants this. So number one, learning how to do hair. If you really take the time to learn and you have someone that you're able to practice on, this is going to be a great one. It is time consuming depending on which hairstyles that you want to pursue. But for me, it's knotless braids. If you do knotless braids, you can charge over $100 whether you provide hair or not. You just have to make it reasonable for, how fast you are, how your product looks, and, make it believable so that people want to do it, because you will have competition, but everyone needs their hair done, especially if you go to HBCU. Being a braider, either learning how to retwist, do cornrows, just regular plaits, anything. There's a bunch of people who need their hair done. And even number two, I have barbering. If, that's how y'all say it nowadays. But basically, just learning how to cut hair, or even if you want to do stuff with natural hair, you can learn how to clip ends. And yeah. Number three, I have nails. Next door to me last year, there was a girl who did nails all the time, making the hallway smell like manicure, smell like monomer. I feel like that's a great one as two, because it's not as time consuming as braiding is, but you can still make a good amount of money based on, nail art, design, and what you provide. So learning how to do nails is a great one. Next one I have is you can do people's assignments or papers. If there's something that you're good at and you feel like you can get done really fast, there are kids out there that don't want to do their work, and they will pay you to do their homework, to do their assignments. And possibly that's something that you've already done, especially if you're more higher up. You've probably already been assigned this before and you can get it done for them, but do at your own risk. But there's a lot of people out there that do different subjects, and they clarify and they give you how much it would be for a paper, or how much it'd be for an assignment, or different websites that your teachers may give out as homework. Next I have, you can sell your artwork. So when I say artwork, you can do paintings, you can do clothing brands, or you can do clothes in general. Yeah. Painting, art, clothing brand. There are a lot of people that make clothing brands nowadays, and you can make money off of it. Just make sure it's something unique, and so then people keep buying it, and possibly that can be something you do outside of college. And yeah. Next I have selling plates. Okay, so with selling plates, you're good, because most people do not like the dining hall food. So if they want to spend $10 for mac and cheese with fried chicken and collard greens and a dessert on the side with a piece of cornbread, they will do that. They will send it to you. They will come to you. They will walk to your dorm, and they will come get the food from you, because they're hungry and they want your food, because they don't want to eat fries and pizza every single day. So make those plates, or even make one thing. You can do just Alfredo with garlic bread, but yeah, make those plates. Next you have baking as well. Just, people who make cakes for people. Not even just kids on campus can purchase from you. You can just say that you're local in a certain area, and people might want to get their cakes from you and not from Walmart. You know what I mean? Next you have DoorDash, Instacart, Grubhub, stuff like that, delivery type things. And of course you would need a car in order to do this, and time, because it's not fast money, but it's fast money. You know what I mean? So yeah, and be very careful and make sure that you have mace, stuff like that, especially if you're doing it alone. And if you don't want to do it alone, ask one of your friends to come with you that have nothing else better to do but sit down and watch TV. Might as well help you and make money and keep you safe. Next, you have become a content creator. So you can make money from, you know, YouTube, stuff like that. Of course, it's gonna take a minute, but I feel like it's gonna be worth it, especially if all you're doing is just recording what you do in your life and people enjoy watching what you do as a college student. You can do tips on certain things in college, certain classes. You can make how-tos. You can get money off of TikTok. Of course, again, it takes a while to be able to get that achievement or whatever, but again, it'll be worth it. You'll enjoy it and you'll make money from it. And yeah. Next, you have, of course, this is a basic one, but it is get a job nearby. So yeah, it can be somewhere walking distance, somewhere you can take a bus. It can be only on the weekends, but somehow you're making money in order to fulfill your needs, such as groceries, clothes, shoes, fun things, parties, whatever you want to, you know, pertain yourself to. Next, you have people who are good at graphic design. So these people can help create flyers, create posters, stuff like that. Like, especially even for the school or people in the school, you can help design things. People will pay you to make flyers, posters, gift cards, you know, not gift cards, business cards, stuff like that, you know, help you design them and stuff like that. And next, you have photography. So every single year, people are looking for people to take their pictures, especially for like graduation, any achievements like sports and stuff like that. So yeah, get a camera, learn how to edit, and even video editing. People pay for that as well. You can also do like these apps where you can help other businesses achieve their goals, if that makes sense. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I got straight to the point. So those are all side hustles that you can learn in order for you to start making money in college, so you won't be as broke as some kids out here in college is. So yeah, have a great day or night. And yeah, my name is Tequila. Come back again. Of course, I have other informational videos that you can go to. I make hair videos, vlogs, and stuff like that. So yeah. Did you pray today? Did you pray today?